chicken curry empanada or chicken curry patties. Oh, this one is so good. Try it. Oh yeah, this version is really good. It's a must try. All right. Yeah, let's start here. Recipe will be in the description below. All right. So here this oil is we use for fried chicken, so we know it's gonna be adding good flavors. So we had fried chicken earlier. So yep, heat up. I'll turn on the stove. Okay, once it's hot, we make sure it's all even there. All right. Once it's hot, we start with the onions, and there's a bit of ginger there. You can see some ginger and onions. All right. Make sure this is all oiled up. We don't want it overcooked or burnt. Oh, this one's gotta split up. Yeah, I cut this myself, so yeah, now it's all ready. Some 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Oh, now it's starting to smell good. Yep. Now I put the chicken. There's a leg and thigh meat with a bit of skin. We put a bit of curry in it. You can see on top of it earlier. Now we make sure we mix this good. Make sure about a spoon of curry powder. All right. Now mix it good. Yes. Ooh, I'm loving the smell of fried onions and garlic and curry powder. Oh, perfect. Yep. Now let it simmer for a minute. Now good. Next up is the bell peppers and the potatoes. We cut it into small cubes. Makes it good. Oh, the smell is so pleasant. Makes you want to eat it with rice. Alright, make sure it is mixing good. Alright, everything is in small bits and pieces. Mix it good so that every single piece is oiled up. Alright, now here, about half a cup of yogurt. Okay. Yes. Now you gotta mix this quick and make sure it's low heat so you don't overcook or, you know, make the yogurt too thick too quick, you know. That's all good. Lower down the heat. And you need a favor, guys. Hit the like button because the more likes the video get, the more activity it shows to the algorithm. It gets spread out to a wider audience and it helps the channel big time. Of course, subscribe if you haven't so you can check out all the other good stuff here, alright? Yep, now we add the chili to make sure it's, you know, there's a good kick to it. Now mix it good. Yep. And then let it simmer for a bit and then let's add the red bell peppers. So this is gonna be oh so good. Smelling really good too. Or even right now, I'm gonna eat this with rice. It's so good. Yes, now it's all good. Let me unclip the phone and show you up close. Oh, you look at that. Chicken curry, this leg and thigh without the bone. So now let's do the pastry dough. Okay, this is about a cup of flour with half a cup of butter. Melted butter, of course. So mix this first. Then we add a bit of water and another cup of flour. So we're gonna total into 2 cups of flour. But that's, you know, for now, this is just 1 cup of flour. All right, mix it further. Now here's some salt. Then a bit of sugar. Here you go. All right. Now mix it good again. Yes. And here we add a bit of water, about half a cup of water. Cold water, of course. So initially is a half a cup of butter and a half a cup of water. We keep mixing it. All right. And then 1 more cup of flour. All-purpose flour is gonna make it good now. Here. Okay. Get all of it, all the rest of it. There you go. All right. Now it's total 2 cups of flour. We keep mixing it so we can get a good dough with it. All right. And once it's all mixed, yep, it's gonna look like this. All right. Now we're gonna we have to let it stay on the fridge for about 10 minutes to help the butter. So we're gonna put it over a Ziploc plastic, but not inside, and then we just cover it with the cling wrap. Okay, there you go. Okay, good. Right now, after 10 minutes, look, it's a lot firmer. Trying to check it. Yes, by touch, it feels good. It's really firm. Okay, trying to cut this now here. All right, here you go. So the first was a test. We just make sure we have the correct size. So now we're gonna flatten it some more. All right, about a spoon of chicken curry mixture. There you go. And now it's gonna brush it with egg wash. So we made about 8 empanadas. And okay, now here we preheat the oven to 160 degrees. So we're gonna bake it for 35 minutes. All right, so 160 degrees Celsius, 35 minutes. Ooh, it's gonna check this. Hopefully it's gonna be good. I'm excited. Okay, 35 minutes later, here it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Chicken curry empanada, or chicken curry patties, whichever you want to call it. But oh, this looks really, really good, right? Yep. Now let's go to my plate. I'm gonna try this. Here it is. I got one piece. Now I'm gonna bite it. Let's check. Oh, it smells so good. Oh yeah, it's actually so good. You guys gotta try this. Oh, I can eat like at least 5 of these. This is so good. Yep. Oh, you're gonna love this. And of course, you can click here for the other chicken curry patties. This is just wonderful. Look at that. Chicken curry pie, sorry, earlier. Alright, you can click on that. And yes, thanks for watching. Subscribe so you can check out all the other good stuff here. Alright, see ya.